If you're over 50 and finding yourself reaching for these glasses more and more often, today's video may change the way you see the world literally. I spent years glued to a computer screen, and like many of you, I ended up with blurry vision, dry eyes, and night glare that made driving almost dangerous. But here's the good news. Science now shows there are ways to reverse poor eyesight and protect your eyes from age-related problems without surgery, without expensive gadgets. We're going to talk about why vision really declines as we age, and I'll walk you through natural remedies for things like dry eye, cataracts, glaucoma, and even those annoying floaters. And I'll also share some daily habits that can retrain your eyes, boost your mitochondria, and maybe reduce your need for glasses. Let's start with where the problem begins inside your retina, with tiny receptors called cones. You may remember from biology class, rods handle night vision and shades of gray, but cones let you see detail and color. They're packed into the macula, a small grain of sand-sized spot at the back of your eye, where almost all fine focus happens. Now here's what most people don't know. Cones contain more mitochondria than almost any other cells in the body. These little power plants produce the energy needed to see. When you're young, mitochondria are abundant and efficient. But, as we age, we lose them. By 60, you may need 3 times the light just to see what a 20-year-old can read in dim conditions. That's why small print looks fuzzy, headlights create glare, and colors don't pop the way they used to. So, what do we do? The first remedy is red light therapy. Research shows that a very specific wavelength around 670 nanometers can actually recharge the mitochondria in your cones. Just 3 minutes, once a week, in the morning, is enough to create lasting benefits. But here's the warning. Not all devices are safe. You want ones labeled IEC 62471 exempt or low risk. And always keep your eyes closed while using them. Infrared light penetrates through the eyelid. This therapy is called photobiomylation, and it's one of the most exciting breakthroughs for aging eyes. Second, support your mitochondria with lifestyle. That means exercise, long walks in fresh air, and intermittent fasting. When your body switches to burning ketones instead of sugar, it actually repairs mitochondria and protects delicate tissues like the retina. Diabetes, on the other hand, destroys retinal blood vessels. That's why controlling blood sugar is critical if you want to avoid retinopathy and cataracts. Third, give your eyes a break from constant screen focus. Your lens is held by tiny muscles that get locked when you stare at something close for hours. Go outside. Look at trees, clouds, birds, anything 20 feet away or more for at least 2 hours a day. And follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Blink deliberately while you do this. It rehydrates your eyes and prevents strain. Fourth, nutrition. Your eyes need vitamin A for night vision. Deficiency leads to night blindness. But if you can convert beta-carotene into vitamin efficiently, which many people can, you need direct sources. Egg yolks, liver, cod liver oil, butter, and you need a healthy liver and gallbladder to absorb it. 2 other nutrients are critical, lutein and zeaxanthin. They protect the retina against oxidation and UV damage. You'll find them in kale, Swiss chard, pistachios, and egg yolks. Fun fact, even though greens have higher amounts, egg yolk's version is more bioavailable, your body absorbs it better. What about floaters? Those little black specks drifting across your vision are damaged proteins floating in the eyeball. The solution is autophagy, your body's recycling system. And the way you trigger that, prolonged fasting. Go 24, 48, even 72 hours under safe conditions, and your body starts breaking down those protein clumps. Many people report their floaters fade as their bodies clean house. Cataracts. They're basically sugars sticking to proteins in your lens, making it cloudy. Cleaning up your diet is step 1. Cut refined carbs and hidden sugars. Step 2. Try inositol carnosine eye drops. Research suggests they can penetrate the lens and help break up those cloudy proteins. It's not a guarantee, but it's affordable and worth trying before surgery. Glaucoma. Some fascinating work by Dr. Harold Shell suggests that higher vitamin D3 levels, combined with K2 and magnesium, can help reduce intraocular pressure. Niacin may also help. Always work with your doctor on dosage, but don't underestimate vitamin D's power. It's anti-inflammatory and supports eye tissue health. Other natural remedies worth noting: saffron, which has been shown to improve macular function; benfotiamine and carnosine from red meat to prevent glycation damage; and antioxidants like turmeric, resveratrol, and even dark chocolate. And don't forget something simple: light. If you're over 50, invest in a good high CCT warm LED light, around 3000 for OOK, for reading. Sometimes just upgrading your lamp can make the world look clearer instantly. Here's a simple daily hack: watch the sunrise or sunset, not directly, but around the sun. Those natural wavelengths reset your circadian rhythm and boost melatonin inside your eyes, which acts as a powerful antioxidant. And finally, dry eyes? Yes, they come from staring at screens and not blinking, but also from nutrient deficiencies, especially vitamin A and vitamin B1. Low B1 affects your autonomic nervous system, which controls tear production. If you're drinking lots of coffee or eating lots of refined carbs, you could be draining your B1 and drying out your eyes. So let's wrap this up. Your eyesight doesn't just decline because of old age. It declines because of lost mitochondria, blood sugar damage, nutrient deficiencies, and modern lifestyle habits that stress your visual system. The fixes: red light therapy, fasting, exercise, smart nutrition, outdoor focus breaks, and a handful of natural remedies that science now validates. The choice is yours. Keep adding stronger glasses, or start rebuilding the health of your eyes from the inside out. Now I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest vision challenge right now? Night glare, reading fine print, floaters? Drop a comment below. I read every single one, and your story may help someone else. If this video was helpful, hit that like button so more people can find it, and subscribe. In the next video, Eileen's show you the 3 worst foods for your eyes and what to eat instead for crystal clear vision. You won't want to miss it.